I made a lot of videos about how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay, and a lot of people ask me if they need to use software or not. Now, from my own experience, I will never use software, and I will explain to you in this tutorial why I don't use software and why you should not use software when dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. I'm sorry for software companies, but I just want like people to make money with this, not to lose money with like software subscriptions, because these softwares, they are optimized to make money, not to help you make money. That's just my experience with working with a lot of people from all around the world. They are using software and they never made any money with eBay dropshipping. So I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can do dropshipping the correct way and what you should avoid and the mistakes you should avoid. By the way, before I start this tutorial, I have my own Instagram account here. You can always contact me if you want me to do this for you and actually help you. I do full coaching and until you get your first sale on eBay. So you can contact me. This is the username. Okay, let's get started right now. So to dropship from AliExpress to eBay, first you will need to know what you are doing. What I mean is you need to know which products are going to get sales inside your eBay store. Now we can't just go to AliExpress, find a random product just like this one, and because it's a successful product on AliExpress, it has over 3 sales, for example, on AliExpress here, 3 reviews, that does not mean that this product will get sales inside your eBay store. Even if you import it into your eBay store, you will not get any sales because that's not how it works. So that's why I'm making this video. I want to show you the correct way on how you can dropship the correct way on eBay from using AliExpress as a supplier. Now, first, I'm going to answer some questions. A lot of people say if this is a legal way to do this. I have been doing this for the last 6 years and have never found any problem with this. A lot of people get suspended for a different reason, not from dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay or Amazon to eBay. Of course, Amazon, there are some risks with it. I'm going to talk about it in the next video. Now the problem here, a lot of people don't know how to sell on eBay. It's not like dropshipping from AliExpress is the reason why they get suspended. They don't ship items in time, the customer support is very bad, they don't try to solve problems like the customer problems. That's what gets their account suspended, not dropshipping from AliExpress. Like I said, I've worked with a lot of accounts. Never the reason I have never seen the account get suspended just because they dropship from AliExpress or any other e-commerce website. So first, I am going to show you first, which is the most important thing, how to find a winning product. That's exactly what you need to focus on. Don't think about anything else. A lot of people go and use software to find winning products, but these softwares don't work. I have tried them multiple times. They don't work. I don't know why, but they don't work. Okay, so I tried to find winning products and they only find around 2 products and they are very low quality. I don't know why people still use these softwares, but yeah, that's not today's tutorial. So here is exactly how you can find winning products. Please watch this video till the end so that you can understand this process, because this is very important. So you go to AliExpress, okay? You search for any product, for example, rings, okay? Rings, for example. You want to find a ring here. For example, let's go with for example, this ring, as you can see. Okay, this one has 4 reviews, okay, on AliExpress. So people are interested in this on AliExpress, but we have to make sure if people on eBay are interested in this or not. So what I want you to do is you want to copy the title of any product, not only rings or not only, doesn't really matter, any product on AliExpress. Just copy the title, go to eBay, okay, and then find, sorry, I'm going to delete. Yeah, you want to find other sellers that are selling this product. Okay, that's exactly what I mean. So for example, this seller is selling the same product. Okay, it's available on AliExpress. You can also search for the product on AliExpress using the image. So you just need to go open a new browser and then search by image AliExpress. Now this extension helps you recognize or find products on AliExpress quickly, okay, using the image on eBay. So if you see a seller on eBay, okay, for example, so okay, I'm going to search for it again. AliExpress, search by image extension, click on it. Yeah, this is the extension, by the way. Okay, now after you download the extension, okay, now if you right click on the image on eBay, if you click on search goods on AliExpress by image, you will be able to find this exact same product. Okay, this is the product, and I'm going to check if it's the same. I'm going to search for it here in the, because this item has different colors, different sizes. Let me check. This is the product. It's the same, as you can see here. It's the same. On AliExpress is selling for $2, almost $2. On eBay it's $7, depends on the size. $8. As you can see, it's the same. Okay, the same product. Now, can we list this on eBay? The answer is no. Why? Because we don't know if this product is getting sales on eBay. Now, by the way, if there is anything you don't understand, please let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, or contact me on Instagram. Now again, I said go to AliExpress, find any product, click on it, copy the title, the whole title, and then search for it on eBay and find the exact same item. Now after you find the exact same item, it's available. Now what you need to check is if this product is getting sales on eBay or not. Now we already know that this product has 13 reviews on AliExpress, as you can see. But that does not matter to me. Why? Because I want to know if eBay buyers are interested in this product or not. Now, how we can do that? Do you see this history button here next to the title on eBay? Now, this history button, you can edit using this extension. It's called eBay sales history, okay, extension. So just search for it, and this is the extension. Click on add, make sure you add it, and then you will be able to add this history button inside your eBay on any product page. Whenever you open a product page on eBay, you will be able to see this history button. Now I will show you the purpose of this in a few seconds. Okay, so you want to click on it, okay? So if you click on it, you will be able to see how many times this product was sold. It was sold, as you can see, 8 times, okay? Actually 7 times, okay? This product has 8 sales, as you can see. 1 was sold probably by offer, and 7 were sold normally, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's 8 sales. So this product recently, like in the last month, it was getting sales, okay? So that's what we want. We want a product that's getting sales consistently. As you can see, it has been selling for the past 3 months, as you can see, which is a good sign. This product is a good product. Now I always go with 3 sales in the last 30 days, but even this product, it seems like it's a good product, even though it's not consistently getting 3 sales in the last month. Even though the first month it did more than 3 sales, as you can see, it did 4 sales in the first month when it was listed. Now the next month it did like 2 sales. It's not bad, okay? It's a good product. Now, can we list this product? The answer is yes, because it's already proven to work on eBay. As you can see, it has 8 sales on eBay. So this product is proven to work. It's going to work on your eBay store too. So what you need to do is you want to go click on sell, and then you want to just list the product. If you don't know how to list, you can just search on YouTube how to list the product on eBay from AliExpress or on eBay. And then to download, by the way, to download images from AliExpress, okay, these images, you just need to go and open a new browser and then search for download AliExpress images, okay? After that, you want to click on AliSave Pro or any extension, click on go to Chrome store and then click on add to Chrome. Now whenever you open a product on AliExpress, you will be able to see this button that says here main images. Now if you click on this, it will download all these images so that you can use them on your eBay. Now you might say, okay, is there any copyright risks or anything like that? There is no copyright risk. You can just upload as many products as you want, including the images from AliExpress, without worrying about anything. Okay, like I said, I've been doing this for the past 6 years, so nothing is going to happen to you. I'm sure about this. Also, okay, when you are uploading the video, when you click here on Sal, click on Sal, it's going to take you here. Then click on create listing, and after that you want to enter the title of the product. Now by the way, because this title is proven to work on eBay, it has 8 sales. We already know we already found the same product on AliExpress, but we want to copy the title of eBay seller. Okay, we want to copy this title because this title is proven to work. People are searching for these keywords on eBay. We know it's the same product, but we don't want to copy this title and then use it on our eBay listing, because this title on AliExpress is not proven to work on eBay. It's only proven to work on AliExpress. So only copy what's working and get rid of what's not working. So just copy the title of eBay seller, okay, of this eBay seller. Copy the title and use it when you are listing the product. Click on search and then click on new packaging, because all products on AliExpress are new. Now after that you want to scroll down and you want to upload all the images here. Just click on upload from computer. Like I said, you just need to download this extension that helps you download images from AliExpress. Just click on main here and it will download all these images for you. Now after that you want to just upload them here, and then you want to enter the description. By the way, the description, you can either copy it from the seller on eBay, or you can just click on use AI description to generate a description for you in just a few seconds. It's very simple process. You can just add all the information. By the way, the item location, it should be China. So just add here China as an item location. After that, you want to click on done, and then you want to click on list it. Of course, you have to enter all the information here. If you don't know anything, let me know in the comments, okay? So assuming you already know how to list the product, let's go back to returns. Now, if someone opens a return against you, for example, they don't like this product, you will never lose money, because what you need to do is you want to go to AliExpress and then find the same product. Find the product where you purchased it. Click on my orders, click here, my orders, and then you will be able to find the product you purchased for the customer after someone buys the product from you on eBay. By the way, dropshipping is an easy process. If you don't know that already, you can just use, for example, someone purchased this product from you on eBay. You go to AliExpress, instead of putting your own address, you put the address of the customer, and then AliExpress seller sends the item directly to the customer. That's how dropshipping works. Now, let's go back to returns. Like I said, if someone doesn't like this item, open the return request. You can just go to AliExpress, do the exact same steps, open a return request, and then you will receive your money from AliExpress and then refund the buyer on eBay. So this way, you will never lose any money. So this is why I really like eBay dropshipping, because you are not like sponsoring, you are not running ads like Shopify or other e-commerce websites like WooCommerce. These platforms, you will need to run ads in order to get traffic, but on eBay you can just keep listing the items and then you will get organic free traffic to you. So this is why eBay dropshipping is the best business model, and it's very good, especially for beginners. Okay, so let me know, like I said, in the comments if you have any questions or anything like that. I'm going to think about something that can be helpful to you, and they will explain it to you right now. So you might say, how many items I need to list before starting to get sales? So in my experience, you want to go with 50 products and then you will start to get sales consistently. That's just from my experience, like the way I do things. 50 sales and I start to get sales almost consistently every single day. Now the profit margin, I always go with from 10 to 50%. It depends on the product and the price of the product. Usually cheap items I only make $2 each. For example, $9 products, I make like $2, $3. But I do in sales over $10,000 a month, so you will start to see the results after you start to scale the account. Of course, you can have multiple eBay stores, 3 stores, 4 stores, and then you can start scaling them to whatever number you want. So that's exactly how eBay dropshipping works. By the way, if you have any questions, like I said, comment below, tell me. You can also contact me on Instagram if you want me to coach you, mentor you until you start to get sales on eBay. Contact me directly. Please drop a like, this would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial, and see you.